Welcome to Godwin Tech. This morning I'm going to cover an important part of Windows 11 operating system, and that is on how to change the screen and sleep time on your computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. Okay, if maybe the time it takes for your screen to go to sleep is higher or is less in terms of time, you can change that. So that's what I'm going to teach you in this video. So let's get started. The first step is to access the settings tab, the settings app of your computer. So click on the start button. Okay, then look at the settings. Click on settings for it to open. So from there we navigate to the particular area that will allow us to make this change we want on our computer. Okay, so let's just hold on until the settings page opens fully. Okay, the settings page has opened. Now we are landed on the system section. Okay, all right, the next step you need to take is to click on power and battery. This will take us to the newer page. Okay, here it shows the percentage of my system battery right now, but that's not where we are interested in. Our interest is on screen and sleep, so click on that tab. All right, you can see on battery power, turn off my screen after 25 minutes is selected by default. So but if you want to increase it or reduce it, click on that spot, and then you may go with 10 minutes, and the lesser the time, the higher your battery life is. Okay, now here says when plugged in, turn off my screen after 20 minutes is selected by default. I think I'm okay by that. Then on battery power, put my device to sleep after 45 minutes. That is the minute that is selected by default. So if you want to change this, click on this spot, then select the duration or the time you want. So I think I'm okay with 30 minutes here. Then when plugged in, put my device to sleep after how many minutes do you want it to sleep when plugged in? Okay, let's say 15 minutes. So you make your choice. There are a lot of time selections you are to make from the list. Okay, so these are just the steps you need to take to make the changes on the sleep and the screen time of a computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. I hope this video helps. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Like this video and leave a comment if you want me to make a video that has to do with Windows 11. Feel free to drop that on the comment section. Thank you and see you next time.